In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35 and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. First of all, you need to launch Themes app. Then you can tap on Themes at the bottom left corner. Select one of those right away. Tap on one of those options or click on the search bar and type in wherever you want to. After picking a perfect theme for you, hit download at the bottom. Then select apply and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my device's theme has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, you can always access the same settings. And this time click on menu at the bottom right corner. Then hit my stuff at the top. Click default theme and hit apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!